Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Now unscrew and remove DVD drive. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then unscrew and lift left hinge. Next, unscrew and lift right hinge. Now separate display assembly from Palmrest. Now unscrew solid state drive. Next, unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Then unscrew and disconnect power button board. Next, disconnect and remove daughter board. Now unscrew and disconnect DVD drive connector board. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now unscrew and disconnect input-output board. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Now unscrew and disconnect touchpad buttons. Now unscrew and disconnect DC jack. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.